Wait, hold on. Did you ever receive a private call ever in your life? Yeah, so most likely you have, but did you ever think of calling them back? Well, when you tried to call them, it didn't really work because it's like a private number. However, what if I told you that in this video, I will tell you that how to call a private number. So let's get started and call some private numbers. Okay, so the first way of finding out who called you can simply be by using a return call function. That basically means like going back to the last call. Now, in order to do this, you can simply type *69 at the beginning of the call. So this is how it works on the mobile phone app. So basically dial *69 to automatically call back the last number. And on the other hand, you can type #69 on a mobile phone. And this is for the landlines. Now, if you do this function, the call will usually range 30 minutes. However, the thing is about this method that you can't really see the full phone number. So you can call back the person who called you. However, you will not be able to see their full phone number. And now the second method which you can use is the call logs function. So the idea behind this is that the phone companies usually track every incoming and outgoing call. And sometimes these private numbers can also be unmasked in these logs. Okay, I think you understand where I'm going with this now. So basically you can compare and contrast with the logs that you got from your phone company and basically look at it to your phone. And then you'll see that which number it was. Okay, so another great method you can use is the call tracing function. So basically, if you're getting private calls every single time, what you can do is basically track that phone number. And to do that is simple. So simply what you can do is on the phone app. So after receiving a call from a blocked number, so what you can do is dial #57 or *57 from a landline and follow your phone company's recorded instruction which will appear. And there you go. These were the 3 methods which you can use to track a phone number which is private. And if you like this video, please like. And if you'd like to see more content just like this one, then please subscribe. Until then.